Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am making some banana muffins. I had some ripe bananas that was left over, so I mashed 3 of them, and actually I had 2 bananas and 1 plantain. For those who don't know what a plantain is, this is a plantain. I had them all looking like this, so I had 2 regular bananas and 1 plantain, and 3 cups of sugar, as well as 1 egg, a third cup oil, 1.5 all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients below as well as the recipe. So what I did is I went and mixed up my wet ingredients, which included the bananas, the sugar, the egg, and the oil in one of these bowls. And then on the next bowl, I had all my dry ingredients, which includes the baking powder, baking soda, 1 teaspoon of each, and a half teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. And in this other bowl, I also added a third cup of oil. I have prepared my muffin tin already with some cups that I'm gonna be using for baking today. I'll be baking at 350 for 23 minutes. So this is a simple banana muffin recipe. I hope you try it out. I'll show you how the final product turns out. At this stage, I have mixed my dry and wet ingredients. So now I'm gonna portion them into my muffin tins.